Namaskar, I'm Dr. Suresh Kunkolekar. I'll be talking to you mostly on COVID. The virus is nothing but a poison. How the infection process happens in any virus. The virus enters the human body, or there are receptors in the tracheal regions of the lungs where it identifies the virus, and then it says, okay, the receptors are there, I can allow you to enter our body. Okay. Subsequently, the virus sheds its protein coat and only the RNA material enters the human body. Once it enters the human body, there is a process called replication, wherein the virus starts multiplying very rapidly. It tries to dominate the entire functions of the human body. So it behaves like a boss. It enters and then it says, no, I want 20 proteins to be produced for my multiplication and not for your growth. That is the reason most of the time we see person is weak, because human being is not able to have its function, but it is working for the virus for its multiplication. So how long does it take for the virus to have the symptoms? It depends on the resistance of the human being. If a person is very weak, then he can start showing the symptoms from next day of the infection. But generally it takes about 6 to 7 days for the proper expression of the symptoms, and by 14th day there are severe symptoms. The prevention is better than cure, because once the virus, especially the virus, enters the human body, it becomes very difficult to separate that virus from that particular body. For now, it is very interesting to tell you what is the strategy of this coronavirus. It wants to survive, allowing the human to survive, because if it kills the human being, then it has to kill itself. So that is the intelligence level coronavirus is maintaining itself. I just want to tell you the acclimatization process of any virus. It mutates itself. Virus has come from China. It has to acclimatize itself to Indian condition where the temperature is little high, because ours is a tropical country. It tries to mutate its genetic material, that is the RNA, in such a way that it can survive in new conditions. What will happen in future? I don't say that infection process or the rate of the spread of the virus in population in India will come down. No way. But what will happen is, parallelly, if the vaccine comes, then there will be remarkable decrease in the rate of spread of this virus. Maybe interested in finding out whether there is a vaccine or drug. Till today, there is no vaccine or there is no scientific drug available for the management of the virus. In vaccine, what we do is we attenuate the particular pathogen. Attenuated in the sense it is like almost half killed. So that virus is introduced into the human body, and once it enters the human body, our body starts producing the antibodies against that particular virus. That means after the vaccination is given to a particular person, these antibodies are already there in human body. The antibodies, they go and attack this coronavirus, and then it forms the complex and it neutralizes that virus. Thank you so much.